The Postcard Diva, how's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, I'm back with Matrix Pro Leads. Okay, I want to talk about that for a little bit. All right, so if you haven't heard about Matrix Pro Leads, they're a company that provides a service, okay, of opportunity buyers. Okay, these are targeted people that's interested in making money from home. These aren't seekers. These are buyers. They're buyers because they recently purchased at some point in time a home business opportunity. Okay, so let's go talk about that, because number one, you're going to need leads if you're promoting anything out here, whether you're selling tea, coffee, any weight loss program, affiliate marketing, whatever you're selling in reference to a home-based business opportunity, you need people to look at your offer. What's so great about it and what I love is for the newbie, the person that goes, well, I don't have anybody to speak to. I don't want to do the Facebook marketing. I don't want to bug my friends and family. I don't want to, bug my coworkers. I don't want to do the 6-foot rule. I don't want to have to go to the mall and bug everybody. Okay? So now we have a place for you to go and get people that's interested, okay, in making money from home. These people have already raised their hand and said, hey, send me what you got. I'm interested. Okay, let me take a look at it. Okay, so this company offers that. Matrix Pro Leads, they offer us buyer leads, okay, in different quantities. Not on top of that, they allow us to make a commission as an affiliate to refer people to the company to buy leads. Okay, we're doing that anyway. Okay, you're referring, most of you, if you know companies that's out here, you're telling people, hey, go to this company and get your leads. But the company doesn't offer you a compensation, okay, a commission for referring people. Okay, so this one does, and it's a great company that's been around for a while, and they're very responsive. That's very important to me, that I'm able to email the company and get a response, okay, as well as my members. All right, so let's go take a look at what they have to offer. Okay, what's cool about this is you can be a customer, just order leads, or you can be a business builder or an affiliate. Okay, so they give you the option. Me personally, I'm a business builder, because I refer people when they join me in my postcard programs, or any program, actually, leads. Okay, so where can I get leads of people? Doesn't matter what business opportunity you're in. Okay, so I like the option to be a business builder. We get paid up to 10 levels. Okay, so let's look at just the leads though. Okay, let's go take a look at that. Let me move this over here. So if we want to just order leads, we go here. They have a guarantee. They give you 50 cents back on every return if you're mailing postcards or flyers in direct mail, and you get a return address, they give you 50 cents back. And then they replace email addresses if you buy the email leads. Okay, so they have a guarantee. You can go check this out. Go to my link, www.buyerleads.info, and check it out. All right, so let's go take a look at the leads. Okay, so all you do is come down, you click order leads. Okay, make sure you're on my page. My name is up here in the left hand corner as a distributor. Come down, let's say you say, well, I just want to be a customer, I want to order leads. You go here, as you can see right here, they have the direct mail leads. If you are mailing postcards or flyers, you have the direct mail leads right here. You can get 100 leads, guys, for 30 bucks. The most I've had returned is 2. Okay, I've been in the program now 3 months. Here's my 3 envelopes. Every time I get 100. Okay, they send me 100 a month like clockwork. Okay, they email them to me, and then they mail them to me on pill and stick labels. No more than 2 have come back each time with 100. Okay, so these are some great leads. Okay, so for $30 you can get 100 to mail to. Now, what I like about this program, Matrix Pro Leads, their service, they will email them to you. Number one, you're going to get them email regardless of which ones you select. If you get the direct mail ones, they're going to mail them on pill and stick labels and email them to you. The email marketing leads and the call and text leads will only be emailed. You will not get them in the mail, only in your inbox. So check your email. Okay, so they have what they call email marketing leads. And with these, you get 100 for $30. And what I love about it is you get the name, the mailing address, the email address, and phone number. Okay? So you can actually take these leads, guys, and upload them into your autoresponder. That's what I did when I first ordered the call and text ones. I uploaded them into my Conversion Pros autoresponder. And then I could send them out, add them to my campaigns. Okay? So that's what you can do with the email ones. Then they have the call and text ones. So if you have a texting software, you can upload these. They come with, let's take a look, you get 100 for $40. You actually get their name, email, mailing address, and phone number. Okay, these have already been scrubbed from the do not call list. So with these, you can upload these numbers to a software. Okay, if you have some type of software, because they're going to come on as a CSV file, like an Excel spreadsheet, take these and you can upload them to a software and text blast them out to all these people. Okay, okay, so you can get 250 direct mail leads for $70. You can get 250 email leads, okay, for $70. You can get 250 call and texting leads for $80. Okay, 500 direct mail leads for $135. That's the name and address. You get the email leads for $135. 500 call and text leads for $145. 1,000 direct mail leads for $240. 1,000 call and text marketing leads for $248. Now you can get more. All you have to do is go up here, click my link, buyerleads.info, click contact us. If you want 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, the company will give you a price on that. Okay, so we have leads for whatever business you're in. If you're not mailing, you may be in a network marketing company and your team actually call people. So you'll want the call and text leads or the email leads. So it doesn't matter what type of business opportunity you're in, they have you covered. Business opportunity leads. So there's no reason for people to not have folks to look at their opportunity, because you can just go here and get people immediately. Okay, once you make that payment within an hour or less, they're going to email them to you automatically. And then if they're direct mail leads, they're going to put them in the mail and you'll have them, okay, in the next few days. So that's a customer. Now, you can become an affiliate, guys, for $4.94. There's 2 levels to that. You can just be an affiliate. It's $4.95. You don't have to buy anything. And you get a link that you can promote your link to other people, and you'll get paid 33% on their first order. That's it. When they place the second order, third order, and on forth, you don't get anything. But if you become a business builder like myself, let me show you how that one works real quick. Okay, so you can do that one, or the business builder one. It's $4.95 plus the minimum package of $30. So remember I showed you those packages. Let me show you again real quick. Okay, so the minimum is $30. You can get the direct mail leads for $30, so it will be $34.95, and you'd be on auto ship. The company's going to bill you every month $34.95. If you decide you want the call and text, it will be $44.95. So depending on which package you want, just add $4.95 to it, and you're on auto ship, and they will email them to you every month. Direct mail leads will be mailed to you every month. So it's an auto ship to be a business builder, but you get paid up to 10 levels, okay? So that's what I like about it, paid up to 10 levels, okay? So when you sign up people and they sign up people and they sign up people and they sign up people, you end up getting paid down the line on those folks, guys, okay? So $34.95 is the minimum. You can go higher, just depending on which package you want. But it just makes sense because when you have people to join your business, they're gonna need leads too. They're gonna say, well, who do I market it to? They may not want to go to friends and family, or they've burnt that list out. Okay, they can't go to them anymore. So where are they gonna go? So all you have to do is give them your link to Matrix Pro and tell them, hey, here you go. Get your leads. Now you have people to send your offer to. Okay? So get started, order you some leads, become a customer, or become an affiliate. So I want to show you this real quick. I didn't even realize there was a contest going on, okay, because when I'm focused, I'm just doing the work, okay? So there was a contest going on at the end of it ended June, the end of June. First place, second place, and third place, okay? So it shows right here, and he stated at the end of the month, you know, they've got a contest. I didn't really know what was going on. I'm just working the business. So come to find out, one of my members texted me over the weekend and said, hey, congratulations on your $100. You were the winner, one of the winners. And I go, okay. So I looked at the Facebook group, and sure enough, I had won $100, okay, for a contest that they had going. So this company gives back. They do contests. This is in addition to your commissions that you make from your referrals, okay? So it showed right here where they want to have a contest. First place, second place, and third place, all right? So first place was $250, second place was $150, third place was $100. So if we come down, and I'm going to show you that, and here I am right here on the list. So let's take a look here. Oh, I went back and looked at the group once they told me that, and sure enough, right here it shows I was in third place. So congratulations to everybody that was a winner. Mega Mailer Club won $250. Troy Minor won $150. I won $100. Okay, so these are the things that Matrix Pro leads do for the affiliates, guys. So it's exciting just to be a part of it. So thank you, Mr. Hayes, for that. I had no idea. And what they do is every week they pay out, so that money goes over to they offer what they call a debit card, so you can have it just go right on that card, guys. So it's pretty cool. So thanks, Mr. Hayes, for that. So let me just show you real quick. As you can see, I'm logged in. Here's my name right here, and you can see they notify you payments received, payments received, payments received, and my balance right now is $357.67, because what they do, I have it where I have that debit card, and they just move it right over to there. Okay, so that's where my balance is. Of course, it's on that card. It's a Visa card, so I can actually use it just like a Visa. So you get your card, guys, and you get paid for referring people to buy leads. So just think about when people join your team, now you have somewhere for them to go get leads. They don't have to bug people, okay? So I highly recommend Matrix Pro Leads. Get you some buyer leads. Use this service, okay? Now, I use a capture page. This is a third-party system. It has nothing to do with Matrix Pro Leads, but go to my link, www.buyerleads.info, and if you want a page like this, so this video can do all the explaining for you, so when you refer people, you don't have to explain, well, what is Matrix Pro Leads? How does it all work? Send them to this link. It will explain it all, this video, okay? This is the capture page. Enter the information. It's going to do an email follow-up series, okay, to promote Matrix Pro Leads. All right. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Get you some leads. Start getting you some results with whatever business you're promoting. If you're in any business opportunity with me, get with me. Let me work with you. Let's get a marketing plan. Okay. So subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for me, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed day.